Here's something most people don't know. The difference between wholesale pricing and retail pricing is where small businesses can identify cost-saving opportunities. I'm going to show you how to analyze that pricing space for various products using 2 free sourcing features on Alibaba.com. I'm Pallen, brand strategist and author of AI for Small Business. On this channel, I share practical advice for building and growing your brand, and today we're going to get into product sourcing. I'm excited for this one. I'm partnering with Alibaba.com for this video. It's one of the world's leading B2B e-commerce platforms for global trade. Honestly, once I got into the sourcing features that I'm about to show you, I understood why they wanted a video made about this. It is impressive and it's really useful for the type of business owner watching this channel. So we're looking at 2 AI features today, AI Mode and Alibaba Lens. Both are free to use and both solve real problems for small business owners who want to source products without a massive budget or an existing supplier network. So let's get into it. Before I show you the tools, I want to set up the problem they actually solve, because this isn't just about finding cheaper products, it's about reducing the risk of sourcing something that doesn't work out. Yes, if you've ever tried sourcing a product for your business, you know the friction. Sourcing costs eat into your margin very fast, especially when you're placing smaller orders. So vetting suppliers remotely can be time consuming, and there's no easy way to know who's legitimate before you've already spent money. And when a product doesn't work out, that trial and error cost comes straight out of your pocket. Most small business owners don't have a supplier network, obviously, to fall back on. So that's the gap that Alibaba.com fills. The platform connects buyers to over 200,000 verified suppliers across more than 200 countries. That's a lot. Low minimum order quantities means that you are not committing to 500 or more units just to test an idea. And trade assurance gives you a trade guarantee with your order if something goes wrong. The first sourcing feature is called AI Mode. Think of this as a sourcing assistant that can have a real conversation with you. I'm going to use it to research a product from scratch and show you what comes back. On the Alibaba.com homepage, you'll see AI Mode as the first tab in the search bar, so click into that. You're going to love this. Instead of typing a product name and scrolling through listings, you just describe what you need in plain language. So I'm going to search for custom branded tote bags that fits within my client projects as part of my branding agency, and then this works for whatever product category makes sense for your business. What comes back here is a structured breakdown, and very quickly, supplier options across different materials and price points. MOQ, that stands for minimum order quantity. It's the smallest number of units a supplier will sell in a single order. So you've got those MOQ details and product matches that meet your stated requirements. You can see here that prices start from very reasonable for bulk orders with low MOQ options available. 50 pieces, for example. Each result is tagged to show you how well it matches what you have asked for. That, I think, is the difference between this and, say, a standard search. You're not scrolling through hundreds of listings hoping that something fits. You get a direct answer to a sourcing question with the key details already surfaced. That is really awesome. Now, the second sourcing feature is Alibaba Lens, and this one is even easier to show you. It works like a reverse image search, but instead of the whole internet, it searches across Alibaba.com's supplier catalog. Okay, the second sourcing feature is called Alibaba Lens. Now, to install it, you go to Alibaba.com and then you add it to Chrome. This takes about 10 seconds. Here's what it does. So you're browsing online and you come across a product that's selling well. Maybe it's something you want to put your own brand on or a version of it. Instead of trying to figure out what it's called or where to source it, you can select the image on the page like this. Alibaba Lens pulls up matching products from verified suppliers directly in your browser sidebar with factory level pricing right there. That is so cool. I love that you can see the price range immediately. That tells you your potential margin before you've spent anything. And suppliers that support customization are flagged, so you know upfront whether you can add your logo or adjust the spec. I think the practical value for a small business owner here is that you skip the step where you spend hours trying to track down a manufacturer for something you saw online. I have been there before. You find the product, select the image, and within seconds you have supplier options and real pricing. No guessing on product names and no cold outreach just to get a quote. That takes forever. Now that you've seen both sourcing features, I want to talk about what actually makes Alibaba.com practical for a small operation, not just a large one, because the platform is built for global trade at scale, but the features stack up well for small buyers too. Beyond two sourcing features, the platform itself is built in a way that works for smaller buyers, not just large operations placing bulk orders. So for this example, I'm going to search for something different here to show you how this works across categories. I'm going to look at custom logo notebooks this time. Minimum order quantities are low across many suppliers, which means you can test a product without a significant upfront commitment. For items that are ready to ship, fast dispatch is available with delivery in as little as 7 days. There are multiple shipping options, including free shipping on select products and trade assurance, which I mentioned earlier. This covers you with an online delivery guarantee if something doesn't arrive as expected. And if you want to try a product before placing a larger order, many suppliers offer samples. And if you need something branded or customized to your spec, that's supported as well. Customizable orders are straightforward to request directly through the platform. Customer service, by the way, is available 24/7, which this matters when you're working across different time zones with international suppliers. And if you prefer to source on the go, love this, Alibaba.com has a mobile app for iOS and for Android, so you are covered. The download links, by the way, are in the description of this video. So those are the two sourcing features: AI mode for researching a product and finding verified suppliers through conversation, and Alibaba Lens for matching any product image to factory direct suppliers in seconds. If you've been sitting on a product idea, or if you're looking to reduce what you're currently paying to source something, I would definitely start here. Download the app, run a search for your product category, and see what the verified supplier landscape looks like. You'll know more in like 10 minutes than you would of a few hours of research elsewhere. The link to download the Alibaba.com app is in the description below, and the link to try AI mode directly is there as well. Let me know in the comments, do you currently source products, or is this something that you're considering? I read each and every one of those comments and I'll reply. If this was useful, hit like. It helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more videos on branding, AI, and building your business. I'm Pallen. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.